Kinematics.
Friction, up to friction without belt and screw.
Okay, sir.
Okay, that I told that day.
The trusses and frames are not there in syllabus.
Which one?
Trusses and frames.
Has it been discussed in the class?
No, sir.
So बेकार के सवाल क्यों time waste कर रहे हो? If you have any doubt regarding anything like this formalities of exam, do you have anything?
No, sir.
Okay, so 10 to 11:30. If you can finish your answer by 11:30, well before 11:30, that's fine. And you will get uploading time till 11:45. It's not like that you have finished your answer by 10:30 and waiting till 11:30 to submit it. It's not like that. Whenever you finish, you upload it, because that also takes little time. Now, any more questions to discuss about previous topics? The basic friction laws, etc., the Coulomb's dry friction, etc., whatever you have learned in your school 11, 12. But that's all. And not as such this belt friction and screw jack, what is there in our syllabus.
Sir, discuss the first question, sir.
That is?
So discuss the first question given in the
Discuss the
previous
question
class.
that you have given in the exam, sir.
Yes, sir. Second and third question.
This one, sir.
This was the first question, not exam. This is for your practice. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So here, this length and this dimension, the space between these two walls, these are in the form of some letters, some symbols, L and D. No numerical value is given. Only thing it is here, and others are like this. Coefficient of static friction 0.40, it is given there. Now you have to find
So
out.
this is an advanced question. JEE advanced question.
JEE क्या होता है बेटा?
Entrance, sir. Entrance.
आपका एंट्रेंस नहीं हो चुका है अभी तक?
नहीं, सर।
ठीक है, भूल
मैं
जाइए।
बोल रहा हूँ कि सर ये तो JEE वाला एक क्वेश्चन है ना ये।
हाँ, तो किसी ने भेजा है, सर I have done something but I am in confusion whether I am correct or not. So अगर ये JEE वाला क्वेश्चन है, so naturally it's easy for you.
JEE advanced, sir. JEE advanced. It's tougher.
This is a problem on friction.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Go.
You have to draw the free body diagram. Now in the free body diagram, normal reactions will be there at A, that will be horizontal. Normal reaction at B, it will be perpendicular to this 30-degree line, right? And friction will be there at A, it will be mu A multiplied by NA or mu S multiplied by NA, that normal reaction, and it will be mu B multiplied by the friction coefficient, right? Now, problem is, what about the direction of the frictions developed at A and B?
Sir, A will be upward.
Sir, that
And
depends on how
along
the
B
rod
will
slides
be
down or up.
along-
At A direction will be upward, sir.
upward.
So
Sir,
definitely,
if rod,
definitely there are two possibilities. First thing,
yes, sir.
if this gap is very small, D is very low compared to the length, suppose this length is too big. So in that case, natural tendency of this bar to move up, because
Upwards.
the center of gravity will be somewhere the middle. So if that middle point is on this side, so it will be the tendency of providing
Rotating,
some
sir.
clockwise turning, like such kind of thing. So
Yes,
it
sir.
will try to slide up, or it will really move up. So for that case, friction will be downward here, and when it is moving up, naturally this length is getting reduced. Length getting reduced means this point relatively shifts to some lower location. So when this is having some upward movement in this direction compared to the support at B, the friction resistance will be downward. And other thing is, the length is not so big and gap is comparatively of more value. So naturally, either it will remain in its equilibrium or the natural tendency of movement will be sliding downward. So when it is sliding downward, friction resistance at A will be upward. And when it is sliding downward, so the length between these two support walls of this slender bar, this inclined bar, suppose it is here somewhere at some new location A1. So whatever the distance between A1 and this support B, definitely it is bigger than this length A. So there is some relative movement of that contact point downward. So friction will be upward. Upward. So you have to consider these two cases. The first case, tendency moving upward. Second case, tendency moving downward, and you will get two different values of L by D, and that will be the range of L by D. So some brief hints about the solution. Half L is such that it is less than D divided by cos 30. This is D. D divided by cos 30 is this length between A and B over this rod. And if half L is less than that, naturally this total weight mg will be acting vertical downward through this half L point. Now, as it is a case of non-concurrent coplanar force system, so we need to consider three equations. Two force equilibrium equation and
Moment equation.
one moment equilibrium equation, and for that moment we normally provide this direction in which we are considering the positive moment, and conventionally x is positive towards right and y is vertical upward. In that way, it could be anything. Now, before going to writing those equations of equilibrium for x direction, for y direction, and moment equilibrium equation, can we do this thing? Just combine this friction and this normal reaction at A in the form of some force, resultant reaction force. So inclined somewhat like this. Next thing,
Yes, sir.
Here also we can combine the normal reaction and friction reaction as the overall reaction at B in the form of some inclination here. So we can make some equivalent system of three forces: the self weight, the reaction, combined reaction at A, and the combined reaction at B. Fine. And for that three force system, what is the primary condition of equilibrium of three forces in a plane?
Net force 0, sir.
They must form a triangle.
Concurrency.
Suresh, the fx is 0.
Concurrency. So these three forces must pass through a common point. Now, what about the direction? If both the points are on the verge of impending motion, in that case, the angle made by that combined, the combination of these two, that is the net reaction force, will be at an angle tan inverse 0.4 and making that angle with this normal reaction. Similarly here also. So draw a line at an angle tan inverse 0.4 in this direction and draw an angle through this point. So you get that, and you can find corresponding the graphical part. But we go for this analytical solution. Write down sigma fx is equal to 0, sigma fy 0, and sigma m0 about any suitable point. It may be A, it may be B, or it may be the center of gravity represented by capital G. Now, in some cases, you will find this center of gravity is written as capital C also. So nothing to get confused. Whenever you are making some answer, you should explain those letters or symbols or those terminologies, whatever you are using. Okay. About A. sigma fx0, it is NA horizontal towards right. FA cannot have any contribution. FA multiplied by cos 90, that is 0. Then friction here multiplied by cosine 30, that is towards positive x direction. And NB is offering negative contribution there. So NB sine 30 in this direction, that is equal to 0 for equilibrium of the system for x direction. And for y direction also, algebraic summation of component of all forces in a y direction, that is equal to 0, assuming y positive or upward. So FA having its full contribution, NA there is no contribution. Now NB and FB, both of them have vertical upward contribution. So FB sine 30 degree and NB cosine 30 degree. And this thing along y direction, here is the applied force, self weight of the object mg. It is minus mg, that is equal to 0. And if we take moment or algebraic summation of moment of all forces about this point A, then what about the moment of this NA and FA about point A?
Zero, sir.
Zero.
sir.
टाइम क्यों लगता है बेटा?
नहीं सर, अनम्यूट करने में टाइम लगता है.
Unmute करने से
Oh,
time
unmute. Okay, I understand.
Yes, sir.
अच्छा. So I am happy that मुझे अभी तक आप लोग unmute ही रख दिया.
नो सर, हमें खुद को अनम्यूट करने में टाइम लगता है.
अच्छा.
नहीं
So-
वही सर.
Minus mg, distance is half L cosine 30. Then here the FB is passing through this point. Then NB multiplied by this distance, it is automatically perpendicular. So NB multiplied by D divided by cosine 30. Now you solve
Hello.
this and there will be this
Abol.
friction relations. FA is equal to mu s NA and FB is equal to mu s NB. And you solve them, you get these values. And here it is L divided by D is 2.37. And for the second case, the reverse. For the reverse one, you have to consider FA downward and FB inclined downward. And walls will provide support in its normal direction because this. Yes.
Sir, can you explain that d by cos 30, nb into d by cos 30?
Force into distance, the perpendicular distance about A. What about the perpendicular distance of NB? If it is D, then for this right angle triangle, D divided by this hypotenuse is cosine 30.
Okay, okay. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So आप थोड़ा ज्यादा सोच रहे हो जेई मेंस वाला, ऐसा नहीं, जेई एडवांस वाला कुछ नहीं सोचना है. वापस आ जाओ फ्री बॉडी डायग्राम में और बेसिक ट्रायंगल एंड इट्स ट्रिगोनोमेट्री. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
Some people had curly brown hair. Then
tightly pulled back.
Transparently black.
तो कुछ भी करो. D divided by this
Twinkle, twinkle,
perpendicular
little.
length is cosine 30, so it is D divided by cos 30. So this is providing clockwise moment by mg. This is providing anti-clockwise, that is positive with reference to this assumed sign convention. So you solve them, you find these values. Then you consider the reverse case. You need to draw the diagram FA downward and FB inclined downward and write down. And in that case, sigma fx is equal to 0. We'll have this FB cosine 30 negative, NB sine 30 is according to that. Then FA, it is downward, minus FA. Minus FB sine 30. Again, it is minus the plus NB cos 30. It's okay because the reaction will be always against its natural tendency of movement. It will be perpendicular to this inclined upward. And it is obviously minus mg in downward direction, negative y direction. And what about this one? No contribution from NA and FA. This one is same contribution, minus mg half L cos 30. And in this case, this equation also same because NB is as usual like the previous one. So solve this thing, and FA is equal to mu s NA, FB is equal to mu s NB. You solve them, you will find these values, and there you get L by D is 8.14, and this is the range 2.37 and 8.1.
Sir, can you please again explain the reverse case?
प्रॉब्लम क्या है उसमें रिवर्स केस में? सपोज दिस लेंथ इज टू बिग, it's something like this, and this gap is very small. So in that case, these two walls cannot hold this thing with its orientation only. So self weight, maybe it has been placed somewhere here or something like that. Whatever it may be, we are assuming that center of gravity is in between these two supports. Only thing that. Now it could be there also, but if it is trying to move upward in this way, so tendency of movement is upward or real movement is upward, so friction resistance will be opposing that movement or tendency of movement. So it will be vertical downward. And in that case, the contribution of FA in sigma Fy is equal to 0 will be minus FA. Instead of this plus FA for the first case, it will be opposite to that. And better, you please don't expect any spoon feeding from me. Okay, you are getting enough hints. You have to do it. Otherwise, you will be simply dependent on those high cost private tuition coaching camps. Okay, जहां अपना पेरेंट्स आपको भेजते थे, किसी को आकाश में, किसी को फिडजी में, अभी बेटा वो भूल जाइए, जो कुछ करना है अपनी आप ही कीजिए, और you will get a service provider in form of your teacher. Okay, कोई प्राइवेट कोचिंग यहाँ नहीं होता, जितना सवाल पूछना है पूछ ले बेटा, पैसा नहीं लूंगा, पैसा गवर्नमेंट से मिलता है मुझे तनख्वाह, ये बकबक करने के लिए आई गेट सैलरी, और ये बकबक सुनने के लिए एंड टू प्लेस सम इंटेलिजेंट एंड स्मार्ट क्वेश्चन, ऑब्वियसली लॉजिकल, इट शुड बी देयर, और लोगों को दिखाने के लिए नहीं, हाँ बहुत देर से चुपचाप बैठे हो, चलो कोई सवाल पूछ लेते हैं, ऐसा बात नहीं है. You have to do proper practice, then only the troubles will bubble up in your mind. Okay, and I hope with this guideline now you can try this one and this one.
So the directional moment will also be opposite in the reverse case.
Direction of what, beta?
Moment will be opposite in the reverse case.
Direction कुछ भी हो, force का direction कुछ भी हो. Are you getting any contribution from FA and FB? You are not getting. Only these two reactions are given. Only these two are coming to be opposite to the previous case. NA is not giving any contribution there because it is passing through the point A. FB, it is passing through this very close to this point A. Its distance is almost 0. So we are neglecting this. And direction of mg is not changing. Self weight cannot be in reverse manner. The reaction here, it will be only in this direction only. It is possible to apply reaction or develop reaction only in this direction. Because natural tendency of movement, if you remove this support, it will be turning in this direction and it is opposing that support, and it will provide the reaction in this way, as if you are giving a thrust through your hand in this direction. So this moment equilibrium equation will be exactly same whatever you have received here, because the change direction for FA and FB, they do not have any contribution here in this expression. Okay, now this direction for moment, you can consider it clockwise positive also, but whatever direction you consider throughout the solution, it must be uniform. So first set you consider it anti-clockwise positive, for second set you consider clockwise positive. Now in some special cases they may not give any difference, but some cases it may give some trouble. So solve these two separate situations where only this part will be, the first two equation will give you some difference. Okay, and you solve it, you will get this range. One 2.37, other is 8.14, and definitely you can solve the other two, and you can try this problem.
Sir, one doubt.
Pardon?
So first we have to convert the weights to kg, or before doing that, or should we compute in pounds only?
That is very basic. If the mass is given in kg and you are writing the force equilibrium equation, you need to convert that mass to its corresponding force, that is the cell force. So
Okay.
the units, whatever you are considering, you have to be conversant with that. If the force is in pound, it is something. If the force is in dyne, that is something. So that school days practice you need to remember, and you never think that study habit will be different from your schools and these colleges or universities, wherever you go throughout the world. Self-study is the primary motivation, and that primary motivation will give you that boost to learn any new subject. Nobody can teach you better. You yourself can teach you. And only thing, with my previous practices, some previous experience, and lots of questions from my previous batches of your seniors, it gives me little edge compared to you. But as I told that day, that Einstein's father was also Einstein, but Albert's father was not Albert. In your batch, there are so many intelligent students that really I would be eager to learn from them. So beta muh kholiye, speak it up. I need your ideas. Now here also a bar AB is there. It is supported by this thread or slender connecting rod BC like thing, and it is connected here by this point C. This end is free, but somehow friction is there and it is being supported in this way. Now you just tell me, if we try to place this rod BA horizontal, then can you hold it there?
No, sir.
No, sir.
No, sir, unless there is a frictional force.
Friction will not be sufficient,
If
sir.
wall is perfectly smooth, then there is some problem. If wall is having some friction, then that part, that trouble is a little bit reduced, but
Yes.
something to hai udhar, that angle theta. So you have to draw the three-body diagrams. You take out this rod AB, remove all these supports, show the forces, the active force and the reactive forces. Now, if it is the three-body diagram, you simply consider this part AB, then there will be tension. Only this tension at B will be there. Suppose it is TBC. Here, friction and the normal reaction. Normal reaction will be horizontal, perpendicular to the vertical wall, and it will be acting towards left. And there will be natural tendency of sliding down. So force corresponding to friction will be upward. So that combination, normal reaction towards left and friction reaction towards up, it will give a combination, a compact reaction at A in this direction. This direction is confirmed to the according to the slope of this. Now, what about this angle made by this bar BC with the vertical or horizontal?
Sir, it is an isosceles triangle, so we can see it is pi by 2 minus theta by 2.
Oh, that's fine. Very good. So now you come back to the very primary question. It is a case of 3-force system, self-weight mg. Then here is a combined reaction Ra, and here is a tension along the direction BC. So what is the primary condition of equilibrium? These three forces must be concurrent. So draw a line vertical passing through half L, draw this angle determined corresponding to this isosceles triangle. You get a point of intersection. Through that point of intersection, you draw a line passing through A. So definitely, whatever reaction passing through A, that combined reaction, definitely it will pass through that point of intersection between the line of action of Mg and the line of action of this tension or this member BC. Because primarily you need to satisfy three forces must be concurrent for a condition of equilibrium of three forces in a plane. That's all. So geometrically or graphically, you get some simple situation and you have some idea about the values, etc. when you draw this force polygon, that is the closed triangle. Otherwise, nothing to worry. You do like this. Sigma fx0, sigma fy0, and a suitable moment center A or anything. That's all. Now A should be such that you can minimize the number of unknowns there, or you can eliminate number of unknowns directly. Now what happens? You are eliminating Na, Fa and Fb. You are directly eliminating these three quantities from that equation. So it's a very rather comfortable expression for solving. So go through so many problems, you will gain lots of experience. Now I will give you some bad advice, if you permit me.
Yes, sir.
Sir.
Now in your
Yes,
school
sir.
days, where you permitted, whether it's by your parents or by your school teachers or by tuition teachers, that you take help from some solution book? In earlier school days, wo to hai nahi. In advanced school years, definitely you took some help from guidebooks or solution books.
Yes, sir.
But I don't mind. If you go through thousands of solutions through internet and you prepare your database very strong, you make yourself confident about how to attack any problem, whatever tough it may be, however tough it may be. I don't mind. But that help for your personal practice. Okay. Now, but don't get just dependent on such solutions. कुछ भी problem देखो internet में search दो and you get some solution. It's not like that. ये आपको dependent कर देगा. Now, you try it yourself, and most of the books, this type of problems are very simple. Now, if there is no friction at this support A, in that case, this position of A should be little higher so that this angle is so stiff that you can form such situation that AB is there, through its middle point, some vertical line is there corresponding to that self weight mg. This line is there, get the point of intersection, and through that point of intersection, you draw a horizontal line for that support reaction at A, where there is no friction, only normal reaction is there. So the normal reaction at A, the tension along this line for this rope BC, and the mutual vertical this self weight, line of action of this self weight mg passing through this half L, and definitely it is passing through this point of intersection. So from that simple geometry, you can very easily predict these values, and on a graph paper you can make this force triangle and find it. Now, any confusion further? So take a screenshot and just try.
Sir, sir, what is U here? What is U?
This is actually, it should be mu,
the friction coefficient.
The largest
Okay,
value. Sorry. Some angle it is representing, and these aims are corresponding to mu. So the source where from I have taken it is not matching with our convention of science. Okay.
Sir, what is U, sir?
U should be theta, I guess, because the
You
largest
should
value
be
of
theta.
theta for
So just hold a minute. I'll be keeping
Yes, sir.
myself.
Because sir, we are given the fixer.
So just let me take your attendance. Just 1 minute. How many of you are there? 143. But some people are regularly cannot attend the class. I don't know whether the issue is net related. Now you just tell me one thing. This Friday I could not take your graphics class, and I informed you through your office mail ID, institute mail ID, nitdgp.ac.in. Now, did you receive that?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Everybody.
Yes, sir. We did receive that.
Yes,
So
sir.
if there is anybody could not receive that mail, just report it to our server support team. Okay, normally those people, they take care of all these things, so they will handle the situation so that you can get mail. So if by any chance, so now you know that I send the mail for all these 184 mail IDs. Now we come to this part. So can you see this page I have shared?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So this is a drum. This is a drum, and over which a belt is placed. Now, do you have any experience of seeing such kind of thing on a drum or some wheel? A belt is placed there.
Pulley, sir. Pulley.
पुलिस सिस्टम.
Pulley. Any other thing?
जैसे जो गांव में दही बनाते थे ना,
गांव में?
दही बनता था सर ऐसे.
अच्छा. और any or
floor mill,
Conveyor.
floor mill.
Conveyor belt, sir.
conveyor belts, floor mills. So all such things are there. But how does it work? If there is no grip between this belt and this drum, it will not work. So friction is doing some help here. Normally we understand that friction is losing some energy and it's very some costly thing. But for some cases, friction is expected to be there. And for such kind of thing, belt drive or the floor mills or whatever it may be, the things are helpful for us. But how to analyze this case? To analyze this thing, first of all, we need to consider that one drum is there, it may be metallic or any other material, and one belt has been placed, are holding two free ends of this belt and trying to pull it in some direction. It may be
So your voice is
in this
breaking,
direction,
sir, a lot.
or now you just tell me a simple case. Suppose a pulley, and एक कुआं मालूम है आप लोग का गांव में जो रहता है पानी उठाता है
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes,
तो
sir.
क्या करते
Yes,
हैं
sir.
उधर? So something is there, some drum like thing and some belt is there, and suppose we are holding this end with our hand and pulling it, and at this end some bucket full of water is hanging. Now if that bucket having some 10 kg mass, then what weight you need to lift up? 10 kg multiplied by g, those many newtons. Now what about the value of g?
9.8.
9.8.
9.81.
And
9.81.
it is never 10.
Yes, sir.
In
Yes,
examination,
sir.
particularly in my
What is-
paper, if I find it has been assumed to be 10, simply I will give you understand. Not 10 out of 10, it will be scratching 1 from the numerator, 0 out of 10. So now for that 9.8 Newton bucket filled with water, how much force you need to apply here at this end through your hand holding this belt free end here? Will it be just equal to this 9.8 Newton? Or it will
No,
be
sir. More, sir. No.
Sir, little
More along
more,
with friction.
little more. It depends on the loss what has been occurred due to this friction here in this grip. But if we want to minimize this thing, that we can do. But in that case, some other trouble will be there. So if by any chance proper weight is not applied here, there will be a natural tendency of falling down again in that well. Now analysis is some bigger force will be here if it is the driving force and if it is the follower force. It will be bigger if it is the driving force and if it is the follower force. So for that, the normal reaction will be there and friction reaction is there throughout the length in contact. That contact angle is beta, that central angle formed by this belt and the drum contact. For this part, there is no such reaction. Now, a बैलगाड़ी देखा है किसी ने?
Yes, sir. देखा है.
उसका व्हील कैसा होता है?
क्या?
बैलगाड़ी का व्हील, चक्का
लकड़ी का व्हील होता है सर.
लकड़ी का भी होता नहीं है, पहले लकड़ी का ही होता था.
Yes, sir.
And there was lots of difficulties because particularly this rainy season etc. and so many things. The लकड़ी का जो wheel था, it was really getting damaged very shortly. And to provide a little support, the people invented some new thing, some support like thing. What is that?
लोहे का बेल्ट.
लोहे का belt. So they were used to make a belt of diameter little less than the external diameter of that wooden wheel and make a ring like fire. You place that metal ring in that fire. Now it will expand corresponding to the thermal expansion, and when it is expand and its diameter is the little bigger than wooden wheel diameter, you just hold it carefully and place it, just fit it and allow it to cool down. Then what happens? That metal
It will wrap the tire, sir. Wrap the tire.
So tightly covered it.
So metal ring shrinks and hold the wooden wheel very tightly. It means you have generated or created some artificial normal reaction offered by the wooden wheel against that natural tendency of coming inward for that shrinking metal ring. Okay? So whenever you are generating that normal reaction, that is always radial throughout this outward from the wooden wheel, you are getting some friction resistance whenever there is any tendency of sliding of the outer ring and the inner wooden wheel. If it is just fit, then it will slide. If it is tight fit enough due to that temperature increase, its decrease, then corresponding tendency of shrinkage, etc., and it holds tightly there, the wooden wheel, then if you try to give some sliding there, it will generate some natural friction, and that will be opposing the tendency of movement. So here also is some kind of thing. But friction is not like previous issues that there is a particular direction throughout the problem, the friction direction for that impending motion, it is along a particular direction. In this case, that friction is dependent on that normal reaction. Normal reaction is radial, outward, 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 etc. And the friction is perpendicular to that radial direction, that means tangential. So all through this contact of the belt on this drum, it will be tangentially acting, and that gross effect is that loss in that applied tension, but whatever loss may be there, that a reduced value must be more than or at least equal to that bucket full of water, the self weight of this bucket full of water, so that you can fetch it upward. And this is the free body diagram of a very small part at a particular location given by this angle theta, any general location theta, r is the radius of curvature, and the overall tension developed in the belt, it is tangential here, it is tangential here. The normal reaction for that very small portion of length r d theta is very small normal reaction dn, and a very small friction reaction, we can consider it to be a straight line perpendicular to this normal reaction or this radial direction, friction coefficient mu multiplied by dn. And this tangential tension developed for this very small portion, very small length, infinitesimally small length of belt here is at an angle half d theta and half d theta in this direction, in this direction. This tendency is here with some magnitude tension T variable. Here some more tension is developed if it is the higher force side. So now you can resolve the, now can you hear me? Because long back I couldn't hear you since long.
Yes, sir, we can hear you.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, but ho gaya, it is confirmed that you can hear me. Now you select two mutually perpendicular directions and resolve all the forces, get their components in those two directions, and make the algebraic summation of forces equal to 0 for equilibrium. So if it is for normal direction, it will be dn, no contribution from mu dn. What about t plus dt and t minus t multiplied by sine half d theta and minus t plus dt multiplied by sine half d theta? That is for n positive direction. And for t positive direction, this tangential direction, this capital T multiplied by cosine half d theta plus mu dn minus t plus dt cosine half d theta, and no contribution from half d theta, beta, this angle. Theta is the overall angle here. If it is the reference line, the starting point of that contact at any general location, this angle is d theta, and that is half d theta. With reference to this normal line, we are considering symmetrically placed small element of length of this belt. So it is half d theta, this tangential direction, half d theta. So t multiplied by cosine half d theta minus t plus dt multiplied by cosine half d theta plus mu dn minus dn, that is equal to 0, and neglecting the self weight. Then t plus cosine half d theta plus mu dn, that is equal to t plus dt cosine half d theta, and then mu dn is equal to dt, assuming this angle is very small and cosine value is almost 1. So t, and it is t plus dt. T gets cancelled
dt
from
by
both
t
the
is
sides.
mu theta. Mu theta.
So mu dn is dt. So cos half d theta is not 1 by 2. D theta is very small, so half d theta is naturally very small. So cos of that very small angle, infinitesimally small angle, it is 1. So this is 1, this is also 1. So t plus mu dn is equal to t plus dt. So this is one equation. Other one in the normal direction, dn, that is equal to contribution of this in y direction. So t plus dt sine half d theta, t sine half d theta. So naturally this becomes t d theta. So t half d theta plus t half d theta, and dt is infinitesimally small, that multiplied by infinitesimally small half d theta. So we can eliminate this second order infinitesimal small thing. So only it is this t d theta. So twice t half d theta. Now from this relation we get dt divided by t, that is equal to mu d theta. Now you integrate from 0 to beta and that range of tension from T1 to T2, and it is the expression assuming T2 is higher than T1, as if T2 side is the applied force side and T1 side is that lifting side where the bucket full of water is there. So in most of the book you will find this type of notation, otherwise you can very easily comfortably change the notations there. Beta may be alpha or theta may be very on other expression, etc. So there is this very interesting relation. Log T2 divided by T1 is mu beta. So what about the ratio between T2 and T1? It is e to the power mu beta. Okay. Now T2 is equal to 1 if e to the power mu beta is equal to 1, that means beta is equal to 0 or mu is equal to 0. Done. But if for a particular case of combination of materials mu is having some fixed value and we change the value of beta, then what happens? It changes exponentially. So T1 is exponentially higher compared to T1 if we change the value of beta, of course beta in radian. Now any common example that you can give for changing beta abruptly and getting enormous high value of T2 corresponding to the applied force T1?
If we will buy the rope and
Your sound is not clear. Can you? So can you repeat your question?
Times rope. Our sir, if we will bind our rope our multiple times or so
Exactly.
in that way we
So
will get high bit.
If it is a drum and you take a rope and give several turns, for one turn it is twice pi, that beta is twice pi. For 2 turns it is 4 pi. So e to the power 4 pi multiplied by mu is a quite big value. E to the power 1 is 2.71, 8281, 8284, etc. E square means a little less than 9, less than 3 square. E to the power 2 beta, that twice pi. It is quite big, 4 pi, exponentially bigger and bigger. Now, very common example is, do you have any experience of crossing any river through any launch or something like that?
Yes, sir.
So when you reach the other side of that river, on the platform, a particular person jumps from your water vessel and immediately they take a rope and put a very quick several turns on some metal column like thing, metal pillar like thing, several 3-4 turns, and now it is perfectly locked because the force required on this side to move it, to move that launch or that water vehicle is quite big. Corresponding to that river, that current, whatever force or that tendency of dragging it in the direction of its current, it will be very nicely, very comfortably, you can obstruct it, you can hold it there by their common sense of providing several turns, that is increasing the angle in this form, twice pi, 4 pi, 6 pi, etc. And e to the power mu multiplied by twice pi, 4 pi, 6 pi, enormously big, that ratio. Now, some household applications.
We have another class at 10.
Okay then. So please permit me to close, and please do some practice on that. And our next application will be on this situation, this issue, that is screw with square threads, screw jack or whatever name you call me. So from internet you just get some help. In our next class we will discuss about that. But this belt and screw, these are not included in your exam for CA1. Okay then.
Okay, sir. Excuse me, sir.
Yes, not today.
Sir.
It's already almost, it's 10. Please join your next class, otherwise I'll be in trouble.
Okay, sir, but the mail didn't came with me.
So you send me your